Hey guys, it's mcfixit here. I have a new product to review. I have a ton of work in our crawl space, and our crawl space actually is concrete. So I wanted to get a rolling knee pad with a little bit of tool space as well. This is from Harbor Freight, part number 67406. I'm going to test this thing out. It does say max weight capacity 250 pounds. I'm about 270, so a little bit above their recommended weight. So I'm going to see if it works for me. It does say it's made with ABS plastic with knee cushions, built-in tool tray, casters. Let's go ahead and open it up and test it out. I'm hoping this wasn't used because it looks like it was retaped. Didn't notice that when I picked it up at the store. So it does have 6 casters on the bottom, 2 kind of foamy pads places. It does actually roll pretty nice, which is good. 250 pound weight limit. I kind of exceed that, but that's okay. We'll test it out. It's got some little parts where you can put tools and stuff. Like I said, I'm going to be cleaning and doing stuff like the whole weekend down in my basement, and I don't want to be hurting my knees and legs and back. So if I can wheel around a little bit, we'll see if that helps. So this is the crawl space we're going to be working in. Got a lot to clean up down here, and we're going to put some insulation in the walls as well. So this just kind of shows you the project we're working on. And here's the final project, and everything's nice and clean, and use this roller knee pad a whole lot during this project. You can see we painted, insulated, cleaned everything up. Overall, a really long and difficult project, but so here are my final thoughts on this. I used this when I was cleaning, when I did some spray foam insulation, and even painting my crawl space. I use this. I did sit on it a couple of times and tried to use it. That did not work well at all. With the knees, it wasn't super comfortable. It ended up just becoming kind of a tray for me to carry stuff around on. I'd give this about a B for its sturdiness. But about a C or a D on its actual usefulness. I think it's a good design. I don't think there's anything wrong with that, except it's just not really thick padding. It hurts. It would also be awesome if there's like almost like a seat option that you could put something over top of this and use it as a seat and roll around on it. Because I think that would actually be more useful in a lot of settings, because that knee pad just doesn't work well. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If there's something you would like me to review in the future, please put a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.